In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Microsoft Outlook's view quickly and efficiently, a must-know for 2025 and beyond. Whether you're looking to personalize your email experience or simply find a layout that boosts your productivity, adjusting the view settings in Outlook is a simple yet powerful way to improve your day-to-day email management. Let's dive in and explore how you can make these changes seamlessly. First, you'll want to access your Outlook account. Head over to either https://outlook.office.com or simply type in https outlook.com in your preferred web browser. Once there, log into your account to get started. This will bring up your Outlook homepage where you'll see your emails, calendar, and other familiar features. Now that you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll notice a gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Give that a click and it will open up a sidebar where we can start customizing your view settings to better suit your needs. Inside the settings panel, focus your attention on the display or mail section. Here's where you'll find a variety of layout options that you can adjust. Let's begin with the reading pane, a handy feature for quickly previewing emails without having to open them fully. You can choose to have the reading pane positioned on the right side, at the bottom, or you can opt to turn it off altogether if you prefer a minimalist look. Next, let's discuss the message list density. This setting allows you to customize the amount of space between each email in your list. If you prefer to see more messages at once, choose the compact setting. For moderate spacing, select cozy. And if you like a bit more breathing room between each email, roomy is the choice for you. Another feature you might want to tweak is the focused inbox. This tool helps by filtering your most important emails into a separate tab. Depending on your preference, you can easily turn the focused inbox on or off with just a click. And finally, for those who like a bit of visual flair, you can change your Outlook theme or switch between light and dark mode. Choose a theme that reflects your personal style or makes your Outlook visually relaxing to use during those endless email sessions. It's important to note that all these changes apply instantly, so as soon as you make a selection, your inbox view will update, offering you an immediate sense of whether you like the adjustment or not. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to tailoring your Microsoft Outlook to work for you. Adjusting these settings can greatly enhance your email workflow, ensuring that every time you open up Outlook, it's optimized for your personal viewing preference. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.